Good morning. This is another London session setup. I'm waiting for 50% of this candle to be broken lower. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so I am a little bit late. Let me show you what happened over here. So I went short over here, ran down, and I kept my stop too tight on the. My stop loss was basically above the swing high. So the market, you can see we never triggered it out, or um, yeah, I got stopped on spread. Um, so I just had to re-enter. Um, so it is lower, quite a bit lower. Not what I want, but anyway, the idea, I think the trade is still there, so I have to go back in. So it's just going to be a quick scalp. So we're just aiming for what is it, $500. This is 100,000 account. Yeah, I just want to try through these lows. I'm not sure if we will tag yesterday's low at this moment. Um, we can leave one there. Maybe we're lucky. Maybe we get there. But yeah, for now, the idea was we were really thin. I wanted to do about 20 points or 20 handles to these lows. And you can see here are some trades from yesterday. Shorted. Yeah, there's some really nice trades. Um, I'll show you some of it. Uh, show you what I did yesterday. So yesterday I bought over here, and you can see it's the only trades I did. I was a bit busy, but anyway, I bought over here, ran it higher, took profit, took profit. Let me zoom in a bit. Traded it up, took profit there, took my last profit over here, and then over there I went short. You can see it says uh, where's the sell? That's profit here. Sell three, ran it down, took profit, sold one again, took profit. Then I got stopped on the remaining order on break even. Shorted again, Then over here I got stopped out in a tiny loss because we went higher. And then I had dinner, so I missed this move. So I had to enter back again over here. Did this first trade lower, profits again, shorted this tiny scalp over here. And then over here, I thought that we're gonna trade higher to take out this high. And so I took a tiny loss on that and then went short again and ended the day lower over here. So not too bad. And the morning sessions um, on the Nasdaq, um, yeah, as you can see, the spread is it's really big. So, but I do think we will get these lows. So the idea is we made this run higher, and as we drop down, um, we took out buy side over here. So now we want to see the market drop lower. And the idea is we want to trade, we're going lower because of this breaker. So we traded high, and now we want to see the market drop. So I entered short over here, anticipating a breaker to form. So let's just see how it plays out. So you can also notice as soon as we closed below 50% of this bullish order block, which would have been a bullish order block if we traded above it, if this candle rejected as one, we went higher, then I would have gone in for longs. Then this would become the breaker. But because we traded below it, I can go short, comfortably short. I can leave my stop here. So basically right there is where I'm supposed to take my first partial. But because we have a lot of spread, I'm hoping that we can trade down a little bit further so I can just get like um, a decent amount of profits in. At these lows, we will take about 300 on all three. So yeah, let's see if we get a push below. I do think we will trade to this low over here. Yeah, so this was the initial trade. If I was still in there, um, this is where I would have taken all three positions on 20, like basically 20 handles, $20 movement. But yeah, also if we do some projections, this is the first low. So we're either gonna get a retracement back up higher now, which we don't want, want to see us trade to 1.5, maybe 2 on this first run. Otherwise, we're going to have to sit through the drawdown and re-enter and then run it lower. But I think they would want to run these lows now for anyone that is long, that does not to not give them the opportunity to exit on these long positions. Any buyers over here with stops at all these lows. So I think we will be good. Okay, now we can target 1.5. And because we're so close to take profit, then we can reduce our risk. You see, that was really close. I'm going to take one just for in case, just to pay, to get something out of the trade. Like I said, if we get a pullback now, then we will just get stopped out on break even. And then I'll have to, well, make coffee first and then re-enter over here. But yeah, we traded these lows, so it's fine to take profit. I'm aiming for this low. I do think that this low will be targeted. I just don't know whether it will be done on the first run lower or if we will first get a pullback and then run for that. So as you can see, I mitigated the loss that I had over here with these two positions. So I'm profitable for the morning. And now we can comfortably leave this runner in. Really, like not um, really not good exits. Both exits were on up candles, which is not ideal. Okay, let's see what happens over here. I'm trying to work out which range is being used as projections. see if it reacts over here and how it reacts. Okay, we are through it. Because I closed half of the position over here. Okay, so we did tag this low. Now I move my stop lower. So now it doesn't matter. Now we can do this, do that lower. That's good. As we trade through this low, I can move this stop lower. So now we can have that or more. So this is where I should have exited. Now we can either make that. Now I can get rid of this, move this lower even more. So I'm gonna close another. I'm gonna close half of the remaining position at this low over there. I'm a little bit a little bit slow on the exits, but it's fine. I'm keeping this as a stop here because it doesn't matter now. If I get stopped out over here, it doesn't matter because I'm in profit. This is my objective. So anything that I can get, I can make what I wanted to make or better. So that's perfect. Okay, so this is my London session trade. So we took that tiny loss over there first. Yeah, I should. I would really love to trade a proper futures broker um, in the future, where I can leave my stops where they are supposed to be, which is like over here, and then I can't get stopped out. But anyway, so we took that tiny loss, went short again. Over here, I covered this loss, and with this trade, um, I made money. And with this as well, this is also a tiny profit. If you look at the distance, so that's the distance of the loss. So I made my loss back with like 2.5 times, I made 2.5 times my loss. I recouped, and then on the remaining order, um, I made an extra amount. And as you can see, these are the only, oh, and this is the, so obviously we have buy side over here taken. So all that this is it is the inversion. It's a bullish fair value gap that we broke lower. Then we ran up, traded buy side, came back down, and then that's the initial short. That's where you want to go short. So my stop loss was a bit tight. My stop loss should have remained above here, and then only moved lower, at least after this close. But it's fine. So we just did this inversion, and then we traded lower for a previous day's low. So that's the idea behind the trade. Um, yeah. Thank you for watching.